Hello everybody, I'm just going to unbox my new Nikon lens. This is an AF-S Nikkor 14 to 24mm f2.8 GED with nano crystal coat. So just going to open it up, and it's literally just to show you what's in the box when you get it. So here we go, unboxing. First thing at the very top is your Nikon manual, AF-S Nikkor 14 to 24, So that's that. Most of it's going to be in different languages, but yeah, as long as it's English in there. The next bit, take off, bit of cardboard, and it looks like it's got a strap for the protective pouch inside. So you get that as well, protective little strap for the pouch. And then actually taking it out, that's the lens inside there. And anything else in the bottom? Oh, complimentary piece of cardboard, so nothing else in there. So put that to the side and we'll open this up. This is brand new, I bought it about a week ago. It's the first time I've opened the box, apart from just sneak and peek in the top. So open it up. Got a nice bit of Velcro on there, keep it protected, and you really want to, because you do not want to drop this lens. So that's about 1,000 English pounds, depending where you get it from. Bit of protective polystyrene at the top. Got the lens. And another piece of protective polystyrene at the bottom. Nothing else hidden under there, so that's what you get in there. A few little cubby holes for other bits and bobs. One cubby hole. That's where you put the strap on, no doubt, this bit. And onto the other side. We've got that. And then unwrapping the lens itself. Drum roll. Hey, amazing. So glad to have this. So there we go. Oh. Came straight off. So there we go. Pop that back on. Naughty, naughty. So yeah, 14 to 24mm lens. That's the protective cover on the front of it. Slips straight off. Made in Japan, and that's the glass you really want to protect. So this is built into the actual lens itself, because you've really got to protect that lens glass in there. Oh, amazing. So yeah, that literally just slips on the front. Nice and safely. There we go. Popped on. Then opening up. Yeah, you know what else is in the end of that. So that's the unboxing of this lens. Just to show you what's in there anyway. So yeah, you got your different focal points: 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 24. And there we've got the other bit. So there we go. Happy days. So that's the Nikon 14 to 24mm lens. Happy days.